Shows of India. Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Shows of India.
Very good evening to everyone. To welcome you all to the 5th edition of the Shows of India Conclave.
Is 150 speakers. Enjoy 2 days. As I said, do deals. That's the target.
I find that Shows of India are like the Mahakumbh meetings. You meet everyone who you knew over all these years, and they're from different parts of your lives.
And I think Shows of India has mirrored this evolution across the last 3 years. And it's been at the forefront of bringing the entire industry together. What really matters is moments that you will not forget.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का विजन है कंसर्ट इकॉनमी, और यहाँ तक कि डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग को भी देश के अंदर ही किया जाए। ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ों को लेकर बहुत ही फोकस्ड और बहुत ही क्लियर मैंडेट देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हम सबको दिया है।
Biggest change that I have seen was during COVID, Bollywood shut down for 18 months, which forced consumers to discover new music.
This is something that we needed for the longest, and I'm glad that this is now also in Delhi.
I think what was unexpected and what I really enjoyed this time was just the amount of networking that has happened, the amount of deal closures also that was being happened for the first time.
But I will say that this is a golden time for the live events industry, and I think you just need to do whatever you're doing with a lot of passion.
Now we are trying to do is with sustaining our database and the community. We're trying to build that experience, like how India is now built. If you go for a concert, this is what the experience you get.
Putting an event like this together that gets people, all the stakeholders on one platform is amazing. I'm sure there's a lot of exchange of ideas, information, knowledge, wisdom, experiences, which benefits the industry.
Above all is that the fact that we are all going towards one particular goal, and that goal is to sort of take the culture of India across, not only towards spreading it out in the Indian space, but also going out into the world.
It's not just about the money you make in this business, it's also about the passion that you can generate. Communities across India who are in love with what they do.
We want somebody to remember us, what they've experienced, and that's how immersive experience come into place.
I think it's such a beautiful industry, and when they come together, they really create such amazing energy. It's enough to miss.
The concept of building IPs in our country is not very old. I think some of them started almost 2 decades ago, but most of the traffic that we've seen in this space has emerged in the last 10 years.
But today, that what you're hearing these panelists speak, it is India. If you can dream it, you can do it.
This is the time.
Believe in the power of your dreams, and only then they'll be fulfilled. So dream on, guys. Make it all happen. Get it out of your brain and make it happen. That's all.
From the Vedas to the Vogues, from the Mahakumbh to the Metaverse, India is the original storyteller, constantly rewriting the rules of experience.